Got some spare cash but not sure whether to pay off debt or start invest? Let's figure it out together. Alright, imagine you have a credit card charging 20% interest. That's like losing 20 pence on every pound you own. Ouch. On the other hand, investing in something like stock and share might earn you around 5% per year. So here's the idea. If your debt interest is higher than what you're earning investing, it is usually smart to pay off your debt first. It is like getting guaranteed return. But if your debt has a low interest rate like a student loan at 1% and you have opportunity to invest at the higher rate, then investing could be the better move. Don't forget about the emergency fund. Setting aside some saving means you won't need to rely on the debt unexpected costs come up. Sometimes the best choice is to do both. Pay down debt and invest a bit at the same time. So should you pay off debt or invest first?
It is all depend on your interest rate and the personal goal.
Now you have to know how to make the best choice for you.
Got a question or your own tips?
Share it below.
And don't forget to like and follow for more simple money advice.